Okay, today we've got another Voltron Lion Force computer control. You program the action of this motorized Voltron. Now this is dated 1984 on the box. Somewhere back here I saw that. Back here. As far as I know, I've never played with it. It looks like it's still factory wired in to me. Nothing's jostling around or anything. So, will it work? Being that it's from 1984? Who knows? Who knows? Got a big instruction book down inside this cardboard thing here. A 9-volt battery and 2 AA batteries. Programming. God, I hate reading instructions. Alright, let's see if we can read them together. Computer's controls, the Voltron is capable of storing up to 64 commands of 4 types. Forward, turn, right, left turn. Where are we on? Left. Figure C diagram. To begin entering a program, you must turn on the computer by flipping the switch to the on position. Imagine that. Then enter the commands by pushing the keys on the keyboard. When you have finished programming, press the Go key. After a few seconds, the robot will follow all your commands in the sequence that were entered. Example program. Note, you can create your own programs. Safety feature built in that makes the Voltron advance forward every few seconds if you forgot to turn it off. Always play on flat surface. Dated 1984 on the paperwork. Okay. Well, I think if the motors aren't gummed up from sitting for 30 or 40 years, it should probably work. Now let's see about getting them out of the cardboard. Look at that great big chrome sword you get there. All right. Wire ties. Stiff wire ties. Sometimes they bend easy and sometimes they're really stiff. So let's see what happens here. Okay, what's still holding it? I mean, the wings shouldn't be holding it. Nothing's holding it. It was my imagination. Well, there are the buttons on the back. We've got a couple of battery doors here, which my fingers can't lift open, assuming they're supposed to lift open. Seem kind of juicy around the edges. I don't know what that's about. Okay. Well, I've got a 9-volt here. Got that in there. At least it shows which way to put the batteries in this one. Okay, I think I'll leave the battery doors off just in case we need to get into this thing. Got a gear motor on this side and gear motor on this side. I'm kind of hoping that maybe moving these a little bit will help give the motors a better chance. Okay, where was the on-off? Okay, here's the on-off switch they were talking about. So let's turn it on. No lights, no sound. So what do? Just like, I don't remember what that button was. Nothing. Oh! Okay, it did something. So this must be forward. Just go forward, go. Now what do you suppose that 8 is? Does that mean figure 8? No, I guess that's some sort of turn. So, right? Sitting there. Let's try a different one. Maybe God, I'd hate to have to read the instructions. Where was that sample? Had a sample, then we'll see if it's doing everything it's supposed to be doing. Isn't it kind of bizarre that they didn't put any sounds or lights or anything into the toy? Okay, flip switch to start. Enter forward 3 times. Enter turn right once. Okay, what was the turn right again? Is it just the right and the left button? I'm thinking. So they're saying forward 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Turn right. I'm guessing that's right. Once. Turn left. Once. Turn right. Twice. Forward once. Figure 8 once. Forward once. Turn right once. And left once. Push go. Now obviously this desktop won't be big enough if it actually does all those things. I guess we don't have to worry about it doing anything. Thought we had it. Whoa! It looks like it did the whole thing. Let's go down to the floor. The question is, will it do the routine again, or do you have to reprogram it? Let's see if it'll play the same routine again. Gonna run out of room. Even the hut isn't big enough. All right. Hey, what more could you ask for? A very early programmable robot from 1984 that actually still works.